First, we will turn on the multimeter and set it to measure microvolts. Next, we will turn on the power generator and set the output voltage to 15 volts. While the circuit is closed, use the positive end of the multimeter to measure output 1 and negative end to any TP surroundings. Now turn the switch to open and use the positive end of the multimeter to measure output 1 and negative end to any TP surrounding. We will need one coaxial cable. Connect one end of the coaxial cable to the function generator and the other end to VIN4 on the circuit board. Now turn on the function generator. We will be using the sine wave for the measurement. Now set the frequency to 10 kHz and voltage to 50 millivolts peak to peak. Now take the coaxial crocodile cable, connect the positive end to Vout4 and the negative end to any TP surrounding, and connect the other coaxial end to the signal generator. Now turn on the signal generator and press auto set and your waveform will appear. Okay, now press on the measure button and take your measured voltage and multiply by 0.707 to get your voltage in 3 dB. Now increase your frequency until you have your measured voltage in 3 dB. Set the power supply to 15 volts and connect the coaxial cable from the function generator to VIN3 on the circuit board. Now turn on the function generator. This time, we will be using square wave for our measurement. Now set the frequency to 10 kHz and voltage to 1 volt peak to peak. Turn on the signal generator and connect the coaxial end from the signal generator to the positive end on Vout3 and negative end to any TP surrounding of the crocodile cable. Now press on auto set and your waveform will appear. Now increase your voltage until you see a slant on your waveform. Now press on cursor and measure from the start of the slant to the end of the slant of the y-axis. This is to measure the voltage of the slew rate. Change it to the x-axis and also measure from the start of the slant to the end of the slant. This is to measure the time of the slew rate. To measure the slew rate, just take the measured voltage divided by the measured time.